You want to modify a shape in Photoshop. You want to vary the design. You got this arrow design or any other. You can do it very quickly in Photoshop. Go here to the custom shape tool. With that selected, go up here, make certain you've got the shape option, and then select the shape you want to use. And then drag and release. You've got your vector shape, but you want to vary it. Maybe you want it stretched in a particular way. What you need to do is go here, direct selection tool. So select that. You can press A on the keyboard to get that. And then you can go to these points here, these nodes, and you can just simply click. And as soon as you do that, you'll notice these ones suddenly are not available. And you can drag and move this around. So you can just drag this, say, over that way. You can also drag this one, and you can select any of them. You can also select multiple ones. So click and hold down the Shift key and click this one. So now you've got two selected. And then you can drag, so you can alter the shape in countless ways. If you want to store it as a custom shape, go over here, direct selection tool, drag over all of the points, make sure they're all selected. So you can see all selected here. Then go to edit and down to define custom shape. And you can see you've got your shape there, and give it a name and click OK. You will then find it in the custom shape tool, click here, and if you go down the bottom, you will see your shape added for future use.